Hi friends, once again Sharmy Veetu Samayal Bethel Mannavla இன்னைக்கு ஒரு அழகான ஒரு ஃப்ரூட்டை பற்றி உங்களுக்கு சொல்ல போறேன். இது அமெரிக்காவில் விளையிற பழம். இது actually it's from USA, but I'm sure you can get it in UK as well. This fruit called Tamarillo. Lots of vitamins in this, vitamin C and vitamin E, potassium and calcium, and also excellent source of antioxidant. This is kind of tonic for things such as asthma, anemia. There are so many. I'm going to just write it down everything in my description in YouTube. You can watch while you're seeing this clip. So make sure you read that and take all the benefits from these kind of fruits. These are the new fruit, Tamarillo. Everybody knows, but they don't buy. It's quite expensive. Even in UK, this is £2 each fruit. Let's cut it. Okay, and some people call it kind of tree from the tomato also. And look at that. Wow, it looks really nice inside, and the smell like from Sri Lanka there's a mango called karta kolumba, just like that smell. Most of Sri Lankan understand, but anyway, let's see how it's going to be. Son, how is this?
Amazing, tasty.
Okay. Okay, taste it. Is it sweet?
Very sweet, yes.
Little bit of sweet, not that sweet.
Not that sweet, but
Yes.
I like sweet stuff.
Oh yes, it is wonderful. So my beloved brothers and sisters, please try these fruits. These are the heavenly fruits. I would like to say that word. It's a heavenly fruits. Okay, so I'm going to show another fruit as well, and next video you can watch that Tamarillo. So try and buy this and taste it. Thank you and God bless you. If you like to subscribe my channel Sharmy Veetu Samayal, and please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.